Okay, in this question you have to find which one is not correctly defined. So which of the principal value branch is not correctly defined. ठीक है, tan inverse का, so you should remember all the principal value branch. tan inverse का correct है बिल्कुल, ठीक है. फिर हमारे पास sec inverse आता है, उसका भी correct है. cot inverse का correct है. And then you have cosec. cosec में गलती क्या है, यहाँ पे जो close interval दिया है -π/2 to π/2, हमें उसके साथ -0 भी करना है. So D option is the correct one, which is not correctly defined. I will just show you the that table from the book. Okay, in this question you have to find which graph is this. Okay, so and as you can see the graph runs from 0 to pi, the close interval 0 to pi. Okay, so for this the principal value branch is for cos inverse x, so correct option is A, cos inverse x. Okay, in this question you have to find the value of this. Okay, let's see the solution of this. So you have sec inverse of √2 plus 2 cosec inverse of -√2. ठीक है, तो cosec inverse of -√2, the formula for this is, you should remember that cosec inverse of -x is same as minus of cosec inverse x. Okay, that means you have cosec inverse of -√2 is same as minus cosec inverse of √2. cosec inverse √2 वैल्यू हमें कब मिलती है, π/4 पे, so it is π/4. cosec inverse √2 is π/4, so it is -π/4. Okay, so your question sec inverse √2, now you can take this minus sign outside, so it is -2 cosec inverse √2. So this is equal to, again sec inverse of √2 is, this is at π/4, -2 cosec inverse की वैल्यू क्या मिली है हमें, π/4. Okay, so this is equal to, and just cancel these two terms, so you will get -π/4. ठीक है, ये कितना हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, ये हो जाएगा π/4 -2π/4. सो पाई -2π इज -π. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Okay, in this question you have to find the domain of this. Let's see the solution of this. As we know that the domain of cos inverse theta is -1 to 1, close interval -1 to 1. That means theta lies between -1 to 1. Okay, in this case we have our theta as 4x plus 1. So here your theta is 4x plus 1. Okay, that means you have that -1 is less than or equal to 4x plus 1, which is less than or equal to 1. Just you have to simplify this inequality. So you have -1 less than or equal to 4x, which is less than or equal to 1, -1. Okay, take this -1 to both the sides. So it is -2 less than or equal to 4x, which is less than or equal to 0. So you have -2 upon 4, which is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 0. You will get -half less than equal to x, which is less than equal to 0. So in this case option D is correct, -half close interval -half to. Okay, in this question you have to find the range of y. So you should know the principal value branch of cos inverse x, which is close interval 0 to pi. But here in this question we want 2 cos inverse x, so you should multiply 2 on every side. So it is 0 less than equal to 2 cos inverse x, which is less than or equal to 2 pi. So that means y